Hello, my name is Jhamal Mckee. Currently, I'm a client and technical support specialist, and I'm on my way to becoming a Linux system administrator. My name is Jhamal Mckee, and recently, my background, I have a bachelor's in communications and I received a master's of business administration. And for years, I know I wanted to go into IT, but I didn't know which plan or which path I wanted to follow. And I actually ran across an advertisement for Yellowtail about a year ago, and it was something that I knew that I wanted to do. And after talking to Juby, the founder of Yellowtail, I actually knew that being a Linux system admin was something that I wanted to do. I decided to start a journey in Linux because I believe Linux is a very valuable tool for anyone that's really choosing to go into IT to learn. I felt that it would allow me to become successful. It would allow me to become competitive in the job market, and that I would really be able to find the career that I wanted to, one that would allow me to make the money that I wanted to and to work remotely. So I actually felt like the years worth of experience that I got with Yellowtail was specialized. I was learning exactly what I needed to know to get the job. I didn't have to take 40 classes for my bachelor's or 12 classes for my master's that didn't necessarily do what I was attempting to do in the business world. And I felt with taking the training at Yellowtail that the training was specialized. It was getting right to the point of what I wanted to do in IT. So I faced a number of challenges before signing up for this course, and even during this course. I didn't have an IT background. The only IT experience that I had was taking half of an A+ course. That is the only thing that I knew before I took my Linux systems admin course. Everything was new to me. I didn't know what was going on, but I really stuck with it. And another challenge, because I didn't have an IT background, I actually took this course in a way. I took it twice. I actually went back and watched every video at least 2 times. Some videos I had to watch 3 or 4 times just for everything to stick. But once I did that, once I kind of persevered, and once I got through what I didn't know and watching those videos 3 and 4 times, the information stuck with me and I knew what was going on. So my biggest challenge was the learning curve, not knowing what was going on, but really through that challenge, I really persevered and forced myself to learn what I needed to do in order to become successful in the course. What I can say is that I was that person who was definitely stuck in a career and I wasn't going anywhere. And I really learned that anyone could learn this course if you're willing to put in the hours after course, put in the hours during the week, put in the hours during the weekend, that you can do this. I'm a prime example. I didn't have an IT background, but if I can do it, anyone can do it. If you just stick with it, if you believe in yourself, if you believe that you can get through this, that you will get through this. I can definitely say that I'm a certified Red Hat systems admin at this point, and I'm very proud of what I've accomplished in a short period of time.